My Archer and Olive order is here. Hello, friends. Welcome back to the channel. It's Jen. I'm so excited, you guys. I have been stalking the Archer and Olive website for a long time. I am not a bullet journaler. If you've been around for a while, you probably know that. And if you're new here, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. This is my very first order from Archer and Olive. And to that point, I do not have plans for bullet journaling, but I do have plans for lots more creative journaling. And I have been thinking about making a purchase from Archer and Olive for a long time, and I decided to go for it. So this has actually been sitting on my desk for almost a week now, and I have been dying to look inside. But it's been so hectic around here, and I just wanted to look at it with you, take my time and go through all of it with you. So let's stop talking about it and let's just dig in. I want to start with the journal. I don't remember when it was, maybe a couple months ago or so. Archer and Olive had released this everyday collection. And what I really wanted was what are in these boxes, the washi and the stamp set. Maybe you saw my recent stamp organization video. If not, I'll link it for you. But I also really wanted to try a journal. And when the washi came back into stock, I decided to buy the matching journal. Now, I think they're going to have a summer release soon. Maybe I'm going to wish I had waited, but I couldn't help myself. I didn't wait. If you're new to Archer and Olive, they have like a code when you're a new customer. So I did get a pretty good deal on this set. So let's take a look. Look how pretty their packaging is. Even the box is so pretty. This is the A5 Antique Floral. It's a buckram cover, which I believe is a more cloth kind of a cover, where some of their covers are, I don't know if they're vegan leather or leather. I'm very new to Archer and Olive. It's a dot grid notebook. They do offer some lined but since I'm going to creative journal in here, I thought dot grid was perfect. It says it's 192 ultra thick, 160 GSM pages. I think this is like yes, it slides out. All right. I'm so excited. Look at that. Very pretty. And it's so funny. Green is not always my jam, but I know green is having its moment. And I love roses. I don't care if I'm cliche. I love roses. And I really wanted my first journal from them to have roses. But anyway, let's look at it. So we have our gold foiling. We have our elastic band to hold it closed, which is really cool. You can always tuck that on your back cover if you don't like that. We have a pen loop. Look at the spine, so pretty. And we have gilded edges, gold gilded edges. Let's open it up and look at that. So pretty. So pretty with the gold foiling. And it says this book belongs to. You have the lines to put your name, Archer and Olive. And then you open up. So like most book bound journals, and I'm a disc bound girl for the most part, so I'm really new to using book bound, but that first page is always like glued in a way where you don't get like, this is less so than some of the other ones I've seen, but a lot of people skip it and start here. We'll see what I do. But yeah, and so we just have this beautiful kind of slate blue dot grid. Very pretty. The paper is nice. It's smooth, but has like a slight tooth to it. And it's very, let's see, very substantial paper. So awesome for all kinds of creative endeavors, including stamping. Yeah. And then you also get 2 bookmarks. So here they are, 2 ribbon bookmarks. And I think this is how they always do it, where one is the ribbon and one has the gold ampersand at the bottom, which is their logo. And that is so pretty. Yeah, I am excited. I don't know if I'm going to jump into this journal immediately. I have a Happy Planner journal that's similar paper, but, you know, probably not as beautiful on the outside, but nice enough, that I probably will play with first while I'm still very new to these creative endeavors. But I've been on a health journey, both physical and mental health, for at least a year now. And I really feel like creativity is really important to your health. And, you know, creative planning is what brought me to the planning community. So I'm very excited to start doing some creative journaling. So I hope you'll join me in that venture. But really, really pretty, a very pretty journal. So let me know what you think. I also bought a stamp set. I wanted these stamps so bad. I have some stamps, not a ton of stamps, but I don't have any that are roses. And so I really wanted these. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go. So the box is so pretty. So we get ink, which is awesome. I do have some black ink, but I feel like it's getting dried out. So I'm happy that they include ink. They do include your block, your stamp block, because with acrylic or photopolymer, I forget what these are. Does it say? Acrylic. These are acrylic stamps. You get 11 clear acrylic stamps and permanent black ink. With those kinds of stamps, you need the block. I have a block from Rubber Stamps Co. that has grid lines that I really like. I may still just use that one, but it's really nice that they've included the block. And here are our stamps. So I am not going to swatch these today. Hopefully the glare isn't too bad. Let me see if I can turn down a light for a minute. Maybe that helps a little, probably not too much. I know that darkens the video a little bit, but just so you're not catching that glare so bad. Aren't they beautiful? I love them. And I'm excited to use them in my journals. I'll probably use them in my planners too. Yeah, yay. Very, very happy with that. And then this is what I really, really wanted, this beautiful washi. So this is called, well, the box says decorative tape, set of 4 adhesive paper tapes. And let's see. Antique floral washi tape set. That's what it's called. The box is so pretty. I may keep them in the box. So if you guys don't mind, well, even if you do, it's what I'm doing. I'm just going to swatch them right here. I don't want to swatch them and cut them in a book right now. But let's take a look at each and then I'll try to swatch them for you. So this one has like floral stamps and I love it. I love washi. Now I'd be lying if I didn't say if I said that I don't have washi that I haven't used up. I have quite a bit of washi, but when I really love a washi, I really do use it a lot. This one is really pretty and I really want to play with making waterfall tabs. They did also have a matching sticker set, but it's 2 sheets, the same sheet. And for me, it was a little expensive. So if it goes on sale, I may pick that up. Or maybe if I ever make a future purchase. This one's really pretty. And then this one has some gold foiling. Oh, yes. So let's see if I can pull the edges and swatch them for you. Oh, that really is beautiful. These seem like a really nice quality washi too. They do have like a waxiness to them. Ooh, I love it. I love it. That is so pretty. I think it's this that really got me, that I really wanted it. Ooh, that is so pretty. And that too. I love this set. Let me zoom in a little for you. Look how pretty. Love, love, love it. Guys, this one, I don't know how well you could see. It has some like gold foiling to it. Really pretty. All right, guys, that is my very first haul from Archer and Olive, and I am very excited about it. Let me know what you think. Have you ever purchased anything from Archer and Olive? Do you do creative journaling? Give me your tips, tricks. Tell me all about it. I love chatting planners with you. I will link for you my stamp storage video if you'd like to check that out. And otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Bye.